Twist it up and make it real for me.
He's the best.
Whatever that fucking means. Yeah, it's so understand for me. Spend a day to get my mind blown. Dress it up and go to Nassau. 200 miles on the dash. Gotta roll a pound up the gas. Put your lanes in the Grand Rapids. We the one that kept it cool with all these niggas till these niggas start acting. Shoot a nigga like film, man. I'm rolling nigga, gon' let him have it. We ballin' like a Marsh Madness. All these cops shoot a nigga tragic. Only one to live in life.
Hello people, welcome to another cook show. My name is Dennis. So tonight I'm a chef and I'm cooking steak bites and mashed potatoes. I don't think y'all understand that I've really been trying to put this video together for the past 6 days. It feels like I would tell myself, oh, I'm gonna go to the store, I'm gonna get the stuff, I'm gonna go to the store, I'm gonna get the stuff, I'm going to the store, get the stuff. Never happened. I always found something else to do. I always end up doing something else. It just never happens. I was like, today I have to get this idea out of my head so I can move on to the next thing. So funny story about these aprons. I have 2 of them. Top of the year, I was talking to somebody and I think we ended up, what did we do? I think we cooked together and we had got these aprons and I just never threw it away. But I would never, if I get a new boo or something like that, or if I get a boo, I wouldn't let him wear these because I feel like that's just so fucked up. And tonight, I will be cooking in a brand new pan set that I got a couple of vlogs ago when I dropped my Amazon wish list. Once again, thank you for that. I want to say Rashad, I think it was Rashad. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. So typically, I'm the type of person that do homemade mashed potatoes, meaning I peel my potatoes, I mash them myself, I boil them myself, put the milk in, butter, salt, pepper, all that good stuff. You know, that's me, that's the guy. But for tonight, we're gonna do these homemade buttery style mashed potatoes. Idahoan, they're really good. You want a replacement? This is the next thing closest to homemade. It really tastes good. All you gotta do is season to your liking and you're good to go. Definitely good to go. And of course, for the seasoning, I got the typical steak seasoning that I typically use. Yeah, baby, yeah. Alright, so now that we have clean hands, we can now touch the meat. I did wipe off the groceries before I put them on my counter because, you know, I just feel like during COVID was a time that I feel like everybody would buy groceries with their gloves, go home, wash them off with a hot rag and Clorox, and then put them in there. It's just, that was a time, listen, thinking about COVID, that was a time to be alive for real. Like, I know you guys didn't think that I was gonna cook and not drink. Do you really know your boy? Do you really know me? If you thought that I was gonna cook this food, talk to y'all, and not have a glass of wine in my hand, if you thought that, put a 1 in the chat. If you knew I was gonna have some type of drink in my hand, put a 2 in the chat. For some smart mouth in the comment, I love y'all to death, y'all know I do, but for somebody to get smart in the comments and say, Dennis, that's not a wine glass, that's a champagne flute. I know, baby, I know. But if you wanna help a brother out, I got some wine glasses in my Amazon registry, so go check all that out. I know what this is, I know what it's for, because I typically drink what? Prosecco. Say it with me, class. Prosecco. So today we have Stella Rosa Red. Typically I don't buy this. It smells good, y'all. And we're eating steak, so why not have red wine with steak? Duh. If you made it to this part of the video, turn the TV up, kick your feet back, get you something to drink, get you something to snack on, get you something to eat. You know, do some laundry, do something, get real comfortable. We about to put on a cooking show, okay? I'm finna make this worth your while. It's the least I can do, right? I got y'all here every day of the month, 31 days straight. That's insane. It tastes like juice. We in trouble. So I'm gonna put this away for now.
You gave it all up for him. Never even pushed for the pussy. But where's for us now when you need them? Talk to me. Talk to me. Hey, hey, hey. Sit back and relax your mind. Just rest back. Sit back and relax your mind. Just rest back. Sit back, relax, just ease your mind. Just ride. You are now watching my TV.
This ain't Texas, no hold'em. So lay your cards down, 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 down. So park your Lexus and throw your keys up. Take a round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now. Woo! One step to the right, we headed to the dive bar. We always go at night. Ooh, run me to the left and spin me in the middle, boy. I can't read your mind. This ain't Texas, ain't no hold'em. Lay your cards down, 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 down. So park your Lexus and throw your keys up. Go round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch. There's a heat wave, coming at us. Too hot to think straight, too cold to panic. All of the problems just feel dramatic. And now we're running to the first bar that we find, yeah. Ooh, one step to the right, we headed to the dive bar. We always go at night. Ooh, you run to the left, just with me in the middle, boy. I can't read your mind. This ain't Texas, ain't no hold'em. Lay your cards down, 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 down. No, park your Lexus, throw your keys up. Stick around, round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I cannot dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't
Sound.
It on me, I love when you spin it on me. Throw it to me, got me up in Givenchy. Before my love couldn't be bought, but now that's all I want. Turn me in diamonds, that's how you make it right. Trade me in silk and we would never fight. No, before I just wanted love, but now I just want you to spend it on me. Go right ahead and spend it on me. Go right ahead and spoil me, baby. Buy back my love. Keep those sweet nothings from me. They don't mean nothing to me. Diamonds and pearls, I'm that type of girl now. I want your black card, you can keep your heart. Puts me away from all of my pain. What's the point of having a heart in this world? Ashamed and played, I just wanna be a girl someday. I don't wanna think. Don't make me a fool, make me a pretty woman. I'm my gems up and distress my love. Before I just wanted love, but now I just want you to spend it on me. Go right ahead and spend it on me. Go right ahead and spoil me, baby. Buy back my love. Keep those sweet nothings from me. They don't mean nothing to me. Diamonds and pearls, I'm that type of girl now. I want your black card, you can keep your heart.
but that ain't what we in. I just wanna take you out and show you out. You already know that you're the perfect one. That when I'm with you, feel like a champion. Ever since I got with you, I feel like I don't want me a trophy. Trophy. I want me a trophy. I want a trophy. I want me a trophy. Trophy. I want me a trophy. A trophy.
You the number one trophy wife. So it's only right you live a trophy life. You grew up on J-Lo, Timberlands by Manolo now. Till one day I put an angel in your ultrasound. I wanna dip that ass in gold. I wanna dip that ass in gold. I made it over NBA, NFL players. So every time I score, it's like the Super Bowl. Baby, we should hit the south of France, so you could run around without the pants. I put that glacier on your little hand. Now that's the only thing without a tan. My trophy on that brown bike, I gave you only pipe. If people don't hate, then it won't be right. You can look at Kylie, Kendall, Courtney, and Chloe. All your mama ever made.
I just wanna chill and twist the lie. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't wanna see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, baby.
Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me?
If I fell off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still hug me? If I got locked up and set this till a quarter century, could I count on you to be there to support me mentally? If I went back till hoopty for my bands, would you poof and disappear like some of my friends? If I was hit and I was hurt, would you be by my side? If it was time to put in work, would you be down to ride? I doubt, kill a nigga, cat, chill and drive. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside. If I ain't rap, I flip burgers at Burger King. Would you be ashamed to tell your friends you're feeling me? In the bed, if I use my tongue, would you like that? If I wrote you a love letter, would you write back? And we can have a little drink, you know, a nightcap. We can go do what you like, I know you like that. Like,
Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, could you love me on a bus? I like 21 questions, and they all about us. Could you love me